Good morning, guys. In front of me is Motorola Moto G04, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message, then tap on Start Chat, and all you have to do is to have this display right in front of you. So just mark Settings, select Languages, tap on plus icon, and now it's time to select the language that you want to apply now. So you can either scroll all the way down till you find it, or you can enter in the search area the language that you are looking for. Now click on Done, and you can either stay with both languages. So let me show you how it works. If you have two languages, you have a word icon here, and smoothly by tapping you can switch between languages. And if you have one language only, let me remove the second one. This icon disappears and you have access to this language only. So that's it. This is how you can manage keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.